Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you where you can find how many hours you actually played in your game in Uplay, or where you can find your stats for game in Uplay. So what you want to do is click here to games and right, like I got Rainbow Six Siege here. I will just right click on it or click on it and then just click here properties and achievements and statistics. And you can see like, okay, PvP, player versus player, total time played 600 hours, and PvE 2 hours. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how we do it. If you have any questions, ask in down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support, you know how it goes. But that's pretty much it. So have a great day everybody, and yeah, goodbye.